Session 4. Let us weed out the wrong information to finalize our collected information. We have already decided the problem we want to work with. We also have gathered some information on it. We have many types of information around us, from which we collect the information 1. When we collect the information, we have to be sure that the information is 100% correct, because we will use this information to raise awareness outside our classroom. If we use wrong information, it can have a dangerous consequence. So, we will use today's session time to explore our group's assigned topic to organize the information brought in and preparing for presentation in the classroom. Note here that we need to verify the information that we are presenting. If needed, we will verify the information we have already collected with the help of the teacher. We will get an idea about how to verify information if we keep in mind the things in the table below. Some general rules to verify information. Number 1. If we get our information from a human source, we have to notice first how reliable our source is. For example, on the way to school, a stranger gives me information about my school. Again, on the way to school, my teacher gives me information about the school. Now, who should I believe more? In different cases like this, when we get different kinds of information, we have to evaluate which person is more reliable. Number 2. If a less reliable person gives us information face-to-face, over phone, or through internet, we will verify and cross-check it with others. Number 3. We also have to keep in mind if the source has any self-interest regarding sharing the information. If there is anything like that, we have to consider how much should we believe the information. Number 4. Sometimes trusted persons may unknowingly give wrong information. Many people easily believe the information found in the internet. So, if a trusted person provides me with information that she or he got in the internet, I have to make sure about the source of information. Is it from a reliable website or news portal? It is often seen that a video clip is being telecast in the internet using the logo of a newspaper or a TV channel who do not own it. How will I realize that it does not belong to that TV or newspaper? I can search it in their website or YouTube channel using the date in the video if they really telecast it that day. Table 1.4. Let us fill up the table below after the information is verified. Information collected. Information after verification. You have to fill up this table. Things to keep in mind during presentation next session. After information verification, we will plan for the presentation in the next session. For the presentation of our topic in the classroom, we will keep in mind that we can complete it within a short time. We should present our group's topics to everyone properly. In that case, we can use all magazine, posters, PowerPoint presentation, etc. for the presentation. What will be in our presentation? Selected problem, its solution, sources of collected information, how our information has been verified.